Welcome to Bharat Engineering Works, Faridabad, manufacturer and exporter of SS and MS fabricated products. The company was established in 2004. Innovative approach and ethical business practices make us unique in the industry. After-sales service, state-of-the-art infrastructure and reasonable pricing make us the first choice of our clients. Indian Railways, petroleum, chemical and automobile industry are some of our application areas. We offer a wide array of concrete bucket, wheelbarrow and mini batching plant. Our concrete bucket are in huge demand across the global markets. Wheelbarrow offered by us are best in the industry amongst others. We also provide mini batching plant spares that are cost effective. Our cement screw conveyor are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. To know more about us, please visit our website www.towergreenbucket.com.